I'm confident that one of these methods will fix your LG TV with no sound but not muted, unless the issue is related to hardware. So, without wasting any time, let's start with a quick check. First, grab your remote and press the volume up button. Watch the screen carefully. If the volume bar doesn't appear or the numbers don't change, your TV may be sending sound to an external device like a soundbar or headphones that aren't connected or turned on. This is actually one of the most common reasons behind the no sound issue. Next, if you're using a cable box, set-top box or streaming device, the issue might not be the TV at all. Try increasing the volume using the remote for that external device. Another quick test is to open one of the TV's built-in apps like Netflix or YouTube. If the sound works in the app but not on your cable or streaming device, the issue is likely with the external device or its signal, not the TV. Next, this one surprises a lot of people. Sometimes the issue is simply a loose HDMI cable. Unplug the HDMI cable from your device, plug it back in firmly, and if possible, try another HDMI port on the TV. A small connection problem can easily interrupt the audio signal. Okay, next. This is actually the most common fix for LG TVs with no sound. So, press the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings, then sound, and finally sound out. Make sure TV speaker or internal TV speaker is selected. If it's set to Bluetooth, HDMI, ARC, or optical, the TV might be trying to send audio to a device that isn't connected. Simply switch it back to the internal TV speakers, and in many cases, the sound returns immediately. Now, let's run the built-in sound test. LG TVs include a helpful sound self-diagnosis test. Just go to Settings, then All Settings, then Support, and look for Sound Self-Diagnosis, or Sound Test on some models. Follow the instructions to play the test sound. If you hear the test sound, that means your TV speakers are working properly. The issue is probably coming from an external device, an app, or maybe the signal source. But if there's no sound during the test, the problem may be a software glitch or an internal hardware issue. Alright, the next method is a small trick many LG users don't know about. What you want to do is press the mute button 3 times in a row on your remote. On many LG models, this will actually open up a hidden menu where you can select AV Reset. This quickly resets the TV's audio processor, and it restores the sound right away. Just give the TV a moment, and then test the audio again to see if it worked. Still no sound. Okay, another method which is by far one of the most successful method. First, unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Then, go ahead and press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 15 to 20 seconds. After that, just leave the TV unplugged for about 15 minutes. When the time's up, plug the TV back in and turn it on to check if the sound is back. If nothing so far has worked, you can try doing a factory reset. Just keep in mind, this will erase all your apps and settings, so the TV will basically return to the same state it was in when you first bought it. If the problem still continues, and the sound is still missing after all these methods, it's usually best to contact a technician for a proper diagnosis. So, if this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.